Hi everyone, welcome to this online class. Today we'll learn about the topic called list in HTML. Let us see what is meant by list and what are the different types of list that are available in HTML. HTML offers web authors three ways of specifying list of information. A list may contain one item or it may contain more than one item. The concept of list is similar to the MS Word bullets and numbering. There we are listing the items using plain bullets and some items are listed using numbers and different styles of numbers. The same thing we are implementing in HTML. Lists are of three types. First category is unordered list. Here the order is not so important. So the list of items are listed by using plain bullets. Like for example, when you are specifying the list of grocery items, there we do not maintain any order. Order is not so important there. Such kind of list can be listed using unordered list. Next classification is ordered list. Here, as the name specifies, order plays a very important role. The list of items should be listed in a particular order. For example, when you are writing an algorithm, the set of instructions should be follow a particular order. Otherwise, the meaning of the algorithm changes. So in such case, the list of instructions given in the algorithm should maintain a particular order. So for that we use ordered list. So depending upon the list that we write, we can use either unordered list or ordered list. The next category is definition list. This arranges your items in the same way as they are arranged in a dictionary. It means that in a dictionary you find a term and some definition about that term. Like that we can define a term and its definition using this definition list. Now let us see in detail how to write unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created in HTML by using the UL tag. UL means unordered list. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Now let us see a small example. This example demonstrates the unordered list. Here we can see the unordered list tag and each item is listed by using this list item tag. We are listing 4 items here: beetroot, ginger, potato, radish. This is an unordered list. Now we see the output of this unordered list. When we execute that program, you get the output like this. Each item is listed with a plain bullet. Here order is not so important. That's why you are giving bullets here. Next we see the type attribute that we use in the unordered list. We can use type attribute in unordered list to specify the type of bullet. By default, the bullet is of type disk. The following are the possible options. Instead of using only disk type of bullets, you can use the type like square or circle. Now let us see the output when we use square as a type. This is the output. We get the list of items are listed with a small bullets, with a small square shaped bullets. That is the output when we write the square as a type attribute value. Now this is another output when we specify the circle as a type attribute value. The list of items are listed with the plain circle like this. Now let us see the another category of list in HTML, that is ordered list. We discussed that in ordered list, order plays a very important role. So this list is created by using OL tag. OL means ordered list. The numbering starts from 1 and is incremented by 1. For each successive ordered list, elements tagged with li. This is the program which demonstrates the ordered list. We are using this OL tag to specify the ordered list. Each element is given with the list item tag. Now we'll see the output, how you get when you execute that program. This is the output of the ordered list. See here, we are getting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. That means here order plays a very important role. So you are getting the numbers instead of bullets. Here also you have the type attribute for the OL tag. By default you get numbers, numerical numbers. You can select the different types of numerical numbers, like default case is numericals 1, 2, 3 like this. Another category is you can get Roman letters like this, small case Roman letters. You can list the items with these alphabets like A, B, C, D, small, lowercase A, B, C, D. It's our wish. It depends upon the style of the list. Now let us see the output of this list, ordered list, when the Roman letter I is the value of the type attribute. This is the output here. The list of items are listed with the Roman letters like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let us see the output where the value A as a type attribute value. You get the list of items listed like this in this order, A, B, C, D, likewise. Next attribute for this is start attribute. This is a very important attribute which we use in the order list, as we maintain some order in the order list. Following are the possible options. OL type 1, start equal to 4. That means this list starts from number 4 of this type. You can specify the different types and their starting values. Now let's see the example so that we can better understand. The type is a small Roman letter I. Start we are giving the value as 4. So your list of items are listed with this Roman letter, small Roman letter 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is the case with the start attribute. Next category is definition list. HTML supports a list style which is called definition list, where entries are listed like in a dictionary or encyclopedia. There are different terms in this definition list. DL means definition list, defines the start of the list. DT means data term, to which term you are defining. That term you have to specify here. DD means data definition. The definition of the term can be specified by using this DD tag. And you are ending the definition list with this ending tag of the definition list. Defines the end of the list. Here we are going to demonstrate a small program for the definition list. This is the definition list here. We are starting with the DL tag. Data term HTML. Our data term here is HTML. DD means data definition. You are writing the definition for this term. This stands for hypertext markup language. That means you are defining a term, you are giving a term and also giving some definition to that term. The next term that we are using here is HTTP. This is our data term, and the data definition for this data term is hypertext transfer protocol. Like this, in this example, we are defining two terms and their respective definitions. Now let's see the output of this definition list. So you can clearly see here, this is the data term and this is the definition that is given for this data term. Other term is HTTP. This is the definition which is given to this. This is similar like the entries which are there in your dictionary or when you see an encyclopedia. This is about the definition list. Now we learned about these different types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Thank you.